Hi everyone, this is Sabrina with a touch of elegant skill crafts and more. I want to share with everyone my little Temu haul that I received just a couple of minutes ago. Um, I know I have another one coming in, but I'm not quite sure exactly what's in this one. But I want to open it up with you all just to see what I have here, to show you all what I have. And let me know what you think about some of these Temu items here. And I got a couple of things for my baskets. And Temu is really showing out now because they're not taking as long as they used to ship. Because I think I ordered this on last Sunday evening and it came today. So that's not bad at all when it used to take three weeks. So it's not taking long at all. Oh, these are little styrofoams that I ordered, but I thought they were a little bigger. The little round styrofoams. I think they're 24 in the pack. I was going to use them for some candy bouquets, but I think they're a little too small for my candy bouquet, but that's okay. Looks like they're fit in a cup. So I can make little candy bouquets in the little mug cups with these. But I was thinking they was a little bigger and I was going to do the larger arrangement. But it's okay. I can still use them. Okay. These are my little flower bears. Now these are a nice size. I wasn't expecting these to be this size because I think I only paid like $10 for two. No, it wasn't $10. It was $7.47 for two. It was $7.47 for two of them, so that's less than $4 each. So they came out cute, nice size. And I also have a pink one. This came in a 2-pack with the little white heart in the middle. That's a nice size. And I ordered 2 of those. They both are the same thing. And then I ordered these. It's supposed to be baby breath. Let's look and see. Oh wow. I think these was $2.47. They're okay, but they are plastic. Even the flour is plastic. I was not expecting that. But it came in a package like this. Like I said, they're kind of plastic. You can put that with a artificial arrangement, and it may look okay. I'm not sure, but I'm going to test it out and see what it looks like. And that's everything in that package. And when I receive the other one, I'll do another video on what's in the next package. But I got my 2 bears. I can go ahead and do my concept with my 4 bears, actually, because I got 2 sets. And my little styrofoams, which I'm going to do these in the mugs. And you can do the real flowers with these because they're the wet foam. So you can do real flowers. All you do is soak it in water and put your real flowers inside of this styrofoam. Thank you guys for watching my little short Temu haul. So you guys, I decided to come back and show you a quick little concept that I did with the Temu Rose Bear. And I'm using this box that I got on last year from my niece. She gave me her boxes because she's decided not to do the box concept. She wants to do something different. So she gave me the boxes and I told her I make great use. There I was showing you the balloon stick that I added in the back of the box. I taped it to the lid. because I'm going to add balloons later on. I didn't want to add the balloons now because it's a little too early. And I'm adding my Bath and Body Works spray. It's the rose fragrance. And then I added the screws in the back of the lotion, the hand cream, just so I can stick it down inside of the box to give it some height. So that's what I'm doing here, giving it a little height. And I'm pushing it down in the back of the fragrance, but it's kind of hard pushing it down because I use the contractor's paper instead of just using tissue paper all the way through. So it's a little tougher to use, but we got it done. And I'm gonna use my glue dots to stick them together. I may add a couple of more later on in the video, but I'm placing my roseberry back. And so you guys just sit back and watch me make this little concept and tell me what you think at the end of this video, what you think about this quick little concept that you can easily do for a gift for Valentine.